This is the original lightsaber, right? It works flawlessly. It's made up of pipe fittings and the police lari in the front. The only problem is the base is this big and it's beautiful. Look at this thing. It's ingeniously beautiful, but it's incredibly heavy. Like, this thing weighs a ton. So why have I been off the grid for the past 3 days? I've been 3D printing my ass off. All of these parts were individually designed over 4 days. I have not slept. I have printed a lot of these, and what we have now is this. This is the lightsaber, but you can see all of the electronics directly in the blade. You can see all of them. That's the charge controller, that's the battery, the wires going through. We're going to have a button here, the microcontroller right here, and all of the things inside, and it's super light, and that's it. Plus everything is 3D printed. And it's a single blade and it works flawlessly. Now I want to show you something really nice, okay? So the best part of this is these are Dotstars. So they support persistence of vision. So if I put this here, let's put you here. Okay, look at this. Whee! Can you see the badger? You should be able to see the badger. Oh! This is such a nice blade. So much easier to play with. So much easier to move around with. Small as plus it's completely transparent. We have a product. We have a product. I'm very happy.